Whether you're a professional carpenter, remodeler, or general contractor, you surely work with plywood to turn pieces of wood into useful things, starting with different sizes of boxes, bird feeders, utility shelves, bookcases, and plenty more. To be specific, a cordless table saw is a staple of any well-equipped woodworking shop. If you're planning to upgrade your tool collection, you need to choose the most suitable table saw for longer-lasting performance. And two of the popular brands for table saws are Milwaukee and Dewalt. But amongst many other brands, why would you want to compare these two against each other? It's simply because they have some basic differences in terms of performance that you should know about. Now, are you wondering which one to get for your workshop? To help you pick the perfect one, we're here to guide you in the right direction. So, in today's video, we've pitted the Milwaukee 273620 versus the Dewalt DCS7485 against each other so that you can choose better and create awesome wood pieces smoothly like never before. So, without any delay, let's get started. The first and foremost point to consider when you get a table saw is its power. While both have 5800 RPM blade speeds and a linear cutting capacity on a full battery charge of around 600 linear feet, there are some differences that you'll spot. The Milwaukee has slightly more power over a similar battery runtime and has a little drop-off as the battery starts to drain. Conversely, the Dewalt has a bit more runtime, but power starts to drop off as the battery drains, whereas the Milwaukee stays consistent until the charge is finished. The Milwaukee's M18 Red Lithium High Output HD 12.0 is powerful enough to last a full day of contact work on your job site. Also, its long-lasting and large-sized battery is a game-changer when it comes to cordless tools. On the contrary, Dewalt's FlexVolt 20V and 60V Max battery system will give you an ease of portability whenever you need to switch between your multiple job sites every once in a while. When it comes to ripping capacity, Milwaukee's 24.5-inch will let you rip full-size sheet polywood and deliver the same kind of smooth results as leading corded table saws. Alternatively, the Dewalt's feature 24-inch of rip capacity for ripping 4x8 sizes of plywood or OSB sheets. So, the ripping capacity for both of these table saws is pretty similar. When it comes to usability, the Milwaukee only needs one wrench and utilizes a push button so that you can change saw blades. And with the Dewalt, you need two wrenches to loosen and change the blade, which makes for a longer change between blades, especially when you need to do some detailing work around the corners. As both of these table saws have similar weights, they can be folded and transported to your wood workshop. However, this model of Dewalt locks in more smoothly in a compact manner than this model of Milwaukee. Plus, as Dewalt is slightly smaller and slimmer in appearance, packing it away is also easier. Finally, we believe you do have a budget for getting yourself a suitable table saw to get a long-lasting usage out of it. However, as both of these heavy-duty tools are similarly priced, you may need to focus more on your specific needs before getting either of these. All things considered, we can agree that both the Milwaukee 273620 and the Dewalt DCS7485 table saws are high-quality and impressive market leaders, especially for professionals. Also, they're pretty comparable in some certain ways, including rip capacity, value for money, and so on. Overall, both of these will be a robust choice to give you years of usage for numerous ongoing and upcoming wood projects that you may have. That being said, we're now at the end of the video on Milwaukee versus Dewalt table saw. Stay tuned if you want more videos like this on your feed. Let us know if you found this video to be helpful in the comments section. Hope you loved it and subscribe if you did.